PingSunday has the special permission of Coach Chen Kangning. Please don't upload the video without the permission of Coach Chen and PingSunday.
Side spin. What did you do? After finishing the shot, did you drop the racket? Faster. Look. Does it feel like you're looking for the bottom? Actually, I had already brushed the outer side before flattening it. In the middle. It's just that I act fast. Do you understand what I mean? Look again. I had already brushed it. Okay, let me do a slow motion myself. Okay, look. Do you understand? You're looking too fast. Look faster. Side spin, right, slow motion. Ha ha ha. Get ready to watch. This is a fake action. Look at this again. This is a fake action. Then I connect it smoothly. Is it a hidden loop? It's really slow in my opinion. Did it suddenly speed up? Is it? Ah. I slow it down. Understood. Do you find it difficult? It's like using your fingers. A small lift of the wrist. And add a fake action. Add a fake action to the small lift. Smart to add a fake action to the small lift. Ah. Okay. Found the feeling, right? Let's do another one. Clever. I'm serving side spin down. I can serve like this. Maybe I'll intentionally serve it a bit higher, and then lift it up a bit more. If you shake it, you won't care about missing the net. I'll serve side spin. After serving, I might dig down a bit. I'll flatten it out, right? What I'm doing is what? Just to confuse your opponent, right? After serving side spin down, I can also serve like this. Hook serves the same way. I'm deceiving you like this. I won't deceive you anymore. Because when I serve side spin, don't I have a flat motion? So it's like a fake move, can produce two types of spin, right? One type of spin can produce two types of turning it upside down. What's your intention? The intention is to deceive. When I serve side spin up, I can fake it like this. So I can serve without a fake move. Okay, still lifting it up. He's still serving side spin. Because I tricked you with side spin down earlier. I might serve like this with side spin down. So I can serve like this with side spin up too. Can I? Because I served like this with side spin up earlier. So I can serve like this with side spin down too. But what's the premise? The premise is you have to be good at your core. The most crucial thing is you have to be good. If you're not good at this, I'm telling you 100 different styles. Not spinning is also a variation. You're at the highest level. I'll just throw a non-spin at you, and then switch to 100 different styles. Yeah, really. An arc is a high toss and a short pull. Ha ha, isn't a quick arc a burst of power? Pulling long is just the first step on your own side of the table. I'm going to arc quickly. The burst of power is a feint action. This is a quick arc. Is it like a small high toss? I'm shortening the high toss, right? Actually, just use this force to send an arc. An arc is a burst of power, right? Add a feint action. Isn't it enough to burst back to your own side of the table? Hidden serve is very simple. You can high toss, right? This is a high toss, right? Ah. High toss to your own side of the table. Isn't it slow to go and fast to come back? Let me add the wrist rotation. Hidden serve is good. What about adding some fake movements? Isn't it with me? Slow to go and fast to come back. Isn't this just a hidden serve? What's so difficult about this? slightly to the outside bottom. Underspin, right, tap it. If I serve topspin to the side, slightly to the outside middle, then I can finish by flattening it down. Flattening at the end is a fake move. Serve underspin. When you tap it slightly to the outside bottom and I finish tapping. Pull up a bit, right? This is a flat hit. Standing up is a fake move. Serve topspin. Flat hit is a fake move. Look. This side spin. This underspin. I intentionally did this after serving. I can also deceive in this underspin. This is still underspin. Because I served topspin There's a fake move of flattening. When I serve topspin, I can also not flatten it. I'm learning this fake move of underspin. This is still topspin. I also push upward. I can finish underspin by pushing Same for topspin. I use the same posture. Serve underspin and flatten it. I serve topspin. Serving to the middle of outside also can be flattened. I can be consistent with fake Consistent with serving different Can also use to different strokes for different spins. Haha, aren't you confusing others? Look, I'm still serving underspin. Underspin, right underspin. This is still underspin. Then I serve topspin. This is still topspin. Ah, like this. The opponent will have what reaction? They will hesitate, right? You always keep changing it. But the underlying logic is first, don't be wrong. You can't serve all the same, just like the players practicing They all serve serves. Similarly. Finally, they change the style a lot. And the spin is a neutral rotation. This is the most deadly.
Read more about table tennis on my blog, PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.